Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can download and install mods on Sims 4. Super easy and straightforward, so without further ado, let's get started. First of all, of course, what you need to do here, you need to open up your browser, and then you just need to go to the website that is The Sims. Just on Google, just write Sims 4 resource, and the website will be thesimsresource.com. So enter the website, and then you just, as you can see, a lot of mods here. Some of them is paid, as you can see here. There is VIP access, but a lot of them is free. So let's say I want to download this one, strip skirt, and just enter the mod, then press see more and download here, and then scroll down until you see download button here. Press on that, and then press on continue downloading here. And as you can see here, we need to wait for 15 seconds to get access to download button. So we will do that, and after that I will show you other steps that you need to do in order to activate mods. As you can see here, download down, and then we can save our file here in our computer. So let's go to the desktop. And once you do that, then you can go back to your computer, and now you just need to on search look for documents, right? And once you're here, then you need to basically find electronic arts folder here. Press on that, go to The Sims 4, and then go to mods, and here you can drag your mod here. And once you do that, you can close this window, and now I will show you steps what you need to do here in Sims 4 game itself. So guys, we are in the game, and once we launch the game, the new pop-up shows up about mods. We can see that our mods is enabled in basically our Sims 4 game. So just press this button here, and then what you need to do here is to go to options, and then you need to go to game options, and then you need to go to other, and make sure that this button is enabled, enable custom content and mods, and apply changes. And that's pretty much it, what you need to do here if you want to download and install mods on Sims 4. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.